Okay, so we're going to take our jewels. We're going to use 2 pinks. So blue, ear, press, and okay, there's one. This is a really good alternative for dogs that have short hair, like your Chihuahuas, your Italian Greyhounds, Dachshunds, stuff like that. I always get people with their short hair female dogs and they want me to put, you know, bows and ribbons and all the other 9 yards on their dogs, but their dogs have no hair to put them on. So what ends up happening is I'll use nail polish or whatever, but some dogs don't like their nails touched. But this is a really excellent option, and if you ask me, if you regularly put bows on your long-haired dogs, then you should be offering these little earrings for your short-haired dogs. Because look how cute they are, and they went on so easily. You could even do them. You can even do them on a cranky cat. Thank you, Barbie, for your help, and I hope all of you enjoyed this very quick and simple demo on how to use Bow Wow Bling's earrings. Thank you.